Hey guys, this is Lucas Hunter. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a paper boat. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is get a blank sheet of paper, like this one. And you want to bring it from the top all the way to the bottom. Just like this. Put it as close to the edges as possible because then your paper boat will look better. Okay, now that you have that step done, you want to make it as flat as possible. Then you want to take these two tips and bring them together like that. Okay, you have that done, so now you want your paper to look like this. Okay, and then you want to take this flap of excess paper and you want to bring it up. Like this. The same thing to the other side. Now that you have this done, your paper should look like this, like a triangle. And like a hat. You can put this onto your hat like this. Okay, so now the next step you want to do is you want to take this piece of paper right here. Now that you have two flaps, you want to take this one right here and bring it in and fold it in there. And you want to fold the outer one too. Same thing to the other side. Fold it. Or the outer one. Okay, now your paper, you'd want it to look like this so far. Like a perfect triangle. And now what you want to do is stick both of your thumbs in this hole, like this. Then bring it out, push your thumbs out, and they should look like this. Make sure this tip on top is pointy enough. Fold it. Make it flat. Now your paper should look like that. Like a diamond. Or a square. And now you want to take this spot up here, and bring it up. Like this. And same thing to the other side. Now your paper should look like a triangle right now. Like this. And now you want to stick both of your thumbs in here again. In here. And you want to push it out. And then fold it. And now your paper should look like this. Also like a triangle or a square. And now you want to take this part and fold it here. Like I just did. This is another thing you can make out of this. It's also like a paper thing like that. And you can design it. Well, if you want to make the boat, you just take this top, not the bottom one because that has too many papers sticking out here. You want to take this side and bring it out like that. I'll show it one more time. And bring it out. Okay, now that you have your paper boat, to make a stand, you put both of your thumbs in here, the triangle, and you flatten it out. Flatten it out first. And you're done.